Hey you guys, welcome back to Brianna Len's YouTube. Today's video is all about iron-on embroidery kits. If you saw my craft haul, I talked about how I was going to go over this with you, do a little unboxing, and how I am going to iron this on to one of the tea towels that I purchased. So let's get started. I also bought this one, so if you would like to see me work on one of these projects, let me know in the comments down below and I can definitely do that as well. So here we go. So really cute animals. It does say on the package that most designs are approximately 5 by 5. When you open up the package, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get your sheet of Stitcher's Revolution instructions. It has what DMC colors you can purchase in order to get the same results as you see on the packaging. And if at Walmart you can't find these same DMC threads, then I would definitely go to 123stitch.com and you can just beep 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 yep, you know, like put in what DMC threads you need and it'll be at your house within just a matter of a couple days. Or if you're near a Joann's or a Hobby Lobby, you can always do that too. So as far as designs go, this is what your design sheet looks like. Pretty large. And I would say that this is an extremely beginner-friendly pattern packet. They're really cute. This would be great for kids. My daughter's really looking forward to, I think, doing the owl or the butterfly. That's what she wants to do. I haven't really decided which one I want to do, which I should have done that, huh? I think I want to do the bunny or the hedgehog. It's up here because Easter's on its way. I love the mushroom. I love the gnome. Yeah, really, really cute and effective. And like these little mushrooms would be so cute to just cut out and work on and like make your own forest scene or put in a junk journal, and that's what I'm going to do. So anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this out on camera. So you just take your pattern sheet and you just give yourself enough space so you're not going into the next design. I'm going to keep the butterfly with the hedgehog. I'm sorry, I keep... Okay. So here is my design all cut out. Move that over. Okay, so I have my iron set on my lowest setting that it will allow me to do. And I am going to iron out my fabric. Okay. And then I'm going to decide where I want this. And I'm going to give myself a good amount of fabric because I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this after it's done. And you might later regret that and say, man, I wish I had more space on this fabric, but this is what I have chosen to do now. So my bunny is set. Again, I'm on my lowest setting. And I have the ink side down. I'm going to set this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take a peek. There is my image. It's definitely darker in some places and lighter in others because this was where I had my iron down the most. So if you want it darker, you can do darker, you can do lighter. So there we go. I just transferred this onto my fabric and I can put this in my embroidery hoop, or if you stitch in hand, just hold on to it. And I'm going to do a basic stitch all the way around, and I don't know, probably whatever colors I have in stash. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. I've got a lot of videos coming out. So that's it. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.